Gikambura village in Kiambu area of Kiambu County is dealing with a harsh reality of COVID-19 deaths. This follows a spike in the number of fatalities attributed to the deadly virus. According to reports, there have been at least 12 deaths in the span of 1 month. The dead include 3 members of one family who all succumbed in a span of 10 days. We returned to the village a day after the burial of the head of that family, Charles Nyoro, and filed the following report, produced by our very own Ben Kirui.
Gikambura village of Kikuyu area in Kiambu County. The silence witnessed here paints a picture of the unease that has this village in its grip, especially in the last month. In the homestead of the late Charles Nyoro's family, the loss of 3 family members is painful for those left behind.
Losing loved ones consecutively, na although tunajikaza, inatuuma sana.
All was well in this homestead at the beginning of the cold month of July, but the events in the weeks that followed were unbearable. It all began when Susan Nyoro fell sick around the 15th of July. She was rushed to Tigoni Level 4 hospital after developing symptoms associated with COVID-19. The 43-year-old succumbed to the disease last week.
My dad and my mom waligonjeka COVID 1 month ago. Mama akapelekwa Tigoni hospital, akalazwa for a few days. Then my dad followed, akaenda care hospital pale Sili. After a few days my mom passed. Then my dad akakuwa na complications pia, akapass.
As the family mourned the loss of Susan, death struck again. 24-year-old Victoria Malitui, the daughter-in-law, succumbed after developing complications related to COVID-19, adding salt to injury.
After my mom aliugua, akalemewa, akapass, my sister-in-law alikuja huku kiasi na akaugua pia, akapelekwa hospitali. It was a bit late. Pia the same day burial ya my mom, akapass.
In this village, burials have become a frequent occurrence. Perhaps too many, and they have caused fear among residents who earlier appeared to be skeptical about the existence of the deadly disease.
In this area, it has been very tense. Everybody is very scared about the situation.
Hapa Gikambura tumekuwa na shida sana hii ugonjwa. Maana watu wamekuwa wagonjwa sana.
Lakini sasa hivi wenye wamesikia hizi cases wameanza kuimprove. Maji wako nayo, kila kitu wako nayo.
And please take this very seriously. COVID is back in a big way. We are already overwhelmed in Tigoni, and we may not be able to take any more patients, not because they have exhausted our beds, but because we cannot cope with provision of oxygen.
And as the village struggles to cope with the community transmission, the county government has sounded the alarm, warning residents against complacency in observing COVID-19 containment measures. On Wednesday, Kiambu County recorded 83 new cases of COVID-19, making it the second in terms of new infections confirmed for the day, only after Nairobi County.